Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we are going to complete the remaining questions of exercise 5.1. So open book page number 82, exercise 5.1, question number 3. Write the short form of the following and write the number names. Write the short form of the following and write the number names. So here the given. Before starting this question, first understand the place value chart for decimal numbers. You have learned place value chart for large numbers, right? This is the place value chart for decimal numbers. In place value chart, what is the places? What are the places? Left to the decimal. Left to the decimal, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. Right? But right, the places right to the decimal. The places right to the decimals are 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Okay? And so on. THS is there. These are the places right to the decimal. Okay? Now, question number 3. Write in short form. Your given number is 300 plus 40 plus 1 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. So 340, both these numbers are whole numbers, right? 340, both the numbers are whole numbers. When we add whole numbers, 300 plus 40 will give you 340, right? Now observe this 1 upon 10, 3 upon 100 and 4 upon 1000. When we write 10 in denominator part of 1, it is 10th place. It means it comes after the decimal, it comes after the decimal, it comes right to the decimal, means 1 upon 10 will come right to the decimal. So it means here we need to put a decimal. And 1 upon 10, we can write it as 1, then 3 upon 100, 3 upon 100. 1 upon 100 comes to the second position, right to the decimal. Right to the decimal, it comes at second position. So this 3 upon 100 means you will write numerator part only. Okay. Here 4 upon 1000. So 4 will come third place from right to the decimal. Okay. So this is how 340.134 is short form of 300 plus 40 plus 1 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. Part B, 8080 plus 2 plus 4 upon 100. Now what will be its short form? What will be its short form? Here 8080 and 2. Both these numbers are whole numbers. So in rough work we can add whole numbers. 80 plus 2. 80 plus 2 give us 82. Here 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100. 1 upon 100 comes at second place from the the position of 1 upon 100 is right to the decimal second place. So here 4 upon 100 is given. So the position of 4 will be right to the decimal. The position of 4 will be right to the decimal, but in upon 100 is written there, it means its position will be second, right? So you given, so I am writing 0, and you also need to do the same thing. Next question, see. Given 1000 plus 8 plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 1000, and you want to write its short form. So how you can write 1008? Both are whole numbers. Why they are whole numbers? Because there is nothing in the denominator. Means they are whole numbers. We can add both the whole numbers. 1000 plus 8 is 1008. Now plus 3 upon 10. There is something in the denominator. So according to place value chart, if there is 10 in upon, it comes just right, just after right to the decimal. So I need to put a decimal here. Then numerator is 3, so I am going to write 3. Now 4 upon 1000. So 1 upon 1000 comes after decimal, right to the decimal, 1, 2 and at third place. 1 upon 1000 comes. Here 4 upon 1000 means there is no term for 100th place. There is no term for this place. So at this place I need to put a 0 as there is no term is given. Then 4, so write 4. Part D. The given number is 200 plus 5050 plus 6 plus 3 upon 1000. You need to write its short form. So 200 plus 50 plus 6 plus 3 upon 1000. Here 200 and 5050 and 6. All three numbers are whole numbers, so we can add them directly. 200 plus 50 is 250 plus 6 is 256. 256. Now 3 upon 1000. You know that 1 upon 1000 means it is 1000th place, means this place will come after decimal. So here I need to put a decimal. Now it is at 1000th place, and 1000th place comes after 10th and 100th. So there is no term for 10th and 100th place. So I will put a 0 at 10th place. I need to put a 0 at 100th place, but at 1000th place there is a number, that is 3. So I am going to write 3 here. Okay, so this is how we write in short form. But in your question number 3, there is 2 tasks. One is to write in short form and write the number name also. Write the number name also. It is short form and I am writing the number name here. How we write the number name? We write whole number as we write for normal numbers, and after the decimal we write the numbers individually, separately. So this number is read as 340.134. So what will be its name? 340 FORT by 40 point 340.134. What will be its number name? 82.04. 82.04. EIGHT by 82. We read whole number together. It is the whole number. 82 is whole number here. That is why we read it together. And after the decimal, we read numbers separately. 82.04 is number name for it. Now write the number name of this. So here 1000.304. So write in words 1000 point 1008. point 304. We read these numbers, we read the numbers or digits after the right to the decimal, we read them separately. So 304, not 304. We write digits right to decimal individually, separately. Now write number name for this. So read it, 256.003. So in words we can write 256.003. So this is how we write short form and their number names. Now let us write for E. Party 900 plus 8080 plus 1 plus 4 upon 1000. It is a given question. You want to write short form for it. So what you will do, you will add whole numbers together. So 900 plus 80 plus 1 is 981. Now you observe that 4 is located at 1000th place. As 4 upon 1000 is given, means 4 is located at 1000th place. So put a decimal here. There is no term for 10th place and 100th place. So write 0 at 10th place, write 0 at 100th place, then write 4. Why? Because 4 is located at 1000th place. That is why we need to put these two zeros. Now write its number name. So 981.004. 900. The number name for it is 981. EIGHTY 81.004. Now the last one, that is F. The given number is 700 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. Okay. Now you want to write it short form. So here 700, 30 and 5. All these three numbers are whole numbers. So we can add whole numbers together. So 700 plus 30 is 730 plus 5 is 735. Now 2 upon 10 is located at 2 upon 10 means what? 2 is at 10th place. 2 is at 10th place. Means we will write 2 after the decimal according to place value chart. So I need to put a decimal here. Now 2 is at 10th place. So I will write 2. 3 is located at 100th place. So I will write 3. This 3 is located at 1000th place. So I will write 3 here. Now read this number 735. We read whole number together. So I am reading it as 735.233. 735.233. 233. So this is how we write decimal numbers in short form and we write their number names. Okay, now let us move to question number 4. Read question carefully. Read question number 4 carefully. Question number 4. A number is broken into thousands, hundreds, tenths, ones, 1/10th, 100th and 1000th, which are jumbled in a square box. These numbers are jumbled in square box right here. Sort them and write the corresponding decimal numeral and its number name. Again here you need to write the decimal number and its number name. So 1 is already done in the book. So let us do the next one, that is B. Here a square box is given 1000, 1/1000, 10, 1/100, 10, 10. Here in third row 10, 1/110. It is given like this. The question is given like this. So let me draw a table. Here your number is 1000. Then 100, there is no place for 100. 10 and 1/10 and 1/100. Now count the number of 1000. How many 1000 is given in the square box? How many 1000 is given? Only one. This one. So 1000 is given, right? How many 10 is given in the square box? So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10 is given. So write 5. Now how many 1/10 is given in the square box? How many 1/10 is given in the square box? No. How many 1/100 is given in the square box? 1 and 2. So write 2. How many 1/1000 is given in the square box? How many 1/1000 is given in the square box? 1. So write 1. Now write the number here. What number you got? Write the number here. One is located at 1000's place, means 1 1000 plus 5 10. So 5 into 10 plus, that is 0 multiplied by anything is 0, plus 2 is located at 100th place, plus 1 is located at 1000th place. So what will be the number? What number will come here? 1 into 1000 is 1000, plus 5 into 10 is 50, plus 0 into any number is 0. Then 2 is located at 100th place and 1 is located at 1000th place. Now if I convert this into short form, I will get my number, right? So 1000 plus 50. 1000 and 50 both are whole numbers. So we can add them directly. Now 2 is at 100th place. So after decimal, there is nothing at, no digit is at 10th place. So I will put a 0. write 1 at 1000 place. So my number is 1050.021. I got my number as 1050 plus 1050.021 is my number I got, and I can write now its number name. Now I can write its number name. So my number is 1050.021, and here I am going to write its number name. Number name is 1050.021. Now next question, that is C. Question number C. A box is given in which numbers are given like in first column 1000, 100, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 10. In second column numbers given are 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 10 and 100. In third column given numbers are 1000, 100, 1 and 1 upon 10. And you want to find out the number and its number name. So for that what you will do? You will make a table. 1000, 100, 1, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 and 1 upon. Okay, that's it. There is no part for 1 upon 1000, so I am also not making for it. Now count how many 1000s are given in this box. How many 1000s are given? So 1 1000 and 2. So write 2. Now count how many hundreds are given. So 1 and 2. 2 hundreds are given. Now count how many ones are given in this. Only one. Only one time. So write 1. Now count how many 1 upon 10 is given. So 1, 2, 3. 3 1 upon 10 is given. Now count how many 1 upon 100 is given. 1, 2, 3. Wait, one correction is there. Here 1, 2 and 3 hundreds are there. So I need to write 3 here. 1 upon hundreds are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, my table is complete. All numbers has covered here. Now what will be the number? What will be the number? Is located at 1000's place, so here 2000. 3 is located at 100's place, it means it represents 300. It represents 2000. This 3 represents 300. This 1 represents 1 because it is at 1's place. This 3 represents 0.3. Why? Because it is at 10th place. This 3 represents 0.003. Why? Because it is at 100th place. So basically this table represents this. Now we can easily convert these numbers into short form. 2301. These are whole numbers, so we can add them together. Like this. So 2301. Now 3 is at 10th place. So I need to put a decimal here. Then I can write 3. This 3 is located at 100th place, which I can represent like this. So my number is 2301.33. 2301.33. Now write its number name. How we write number name? As we read the number, what we read, we write in words. So number name is 2000, 2000s, 300, 1.33. Now part D is for your homework work. Okay, so in this exercise what we have learnt, we have seen the place value chart of decimal numbers. Places left to the decimal are ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and so on. Places right to the decimals are tenth, hundredth, thousandth, likewise. Okay, in this exercise we have learnt how to read a decimal number, how to write a decimal number, how to write their number names, how to write in expanded form, how to write in short form. So this exercise is covered here. In next exercise we will learn a new concept related to decimals. Till then, practice these questions and complete your homework.